What I ordered is what I got. What's happened? It's looking like what I ordered is what. It's looking more complicated, like more finer. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Do you know this is not it though? This one will be on the floor.
Yes.
Do you know? No, it's 4 corner. It's big, oh.
10 feet.
It's very, they don't have a smaller one.
That's not 10 feet.
See our President General Campbell. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome to Udara FM. I'll be your host today. You know that's how they used to speak. Hello, comes fresh from Southern House.
Welcome to Udara FM Radio 104.5. You do know that this is a radio, right?
I know. So,
House of Brown. Good morning.
you enjoy what we're doing. No. Oh, you will pull me at 4 9. I'll say about hey, well, we have a low you. Whoever this in your book. No, I am mine.
See, when I got there, they did not give me this stuff. I was like, I should not give me wrong order. The boss is really big. But see the main concept here. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? I got you a new phone. Don't mind me, it's mine. Are you getting this?
Yeah,
Is it bright?
it should be.
So what's this like?
Okay.
Let me answer this. This is my phone. Looks like AirPods. It's cuter. I see. What's the name? Olanzi. I said Olanzi. You're very silly. Oh, these are the
What's that inside? Is this SIM card?
Yes.
Looks like one.
Should be a card. Okay, warranty stuff. Thank you with pouch too. I don't know what this is.
Looks like SIM card though. Memory card.
This type C, type C. I don't know what this is.
Don't worry, very soon. Find out.
This is the main thing. Now this, what's this one? Okay, this one is that okay? Oh, this is the one I was looking for. You see this one? One finger. This one came with his own iPhone to clean this thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Comes with all the cords. It has four. It has 4 connecting cables.
Mine
Can
says
you
zero
imagine?
Udara. Mine says zero Udara iPhone. And another iPhone brand.
You now guys.
You have for iPhone now, on fix the phone. I didn't screen
Imagine, it doesn't make sense. See, this one came with everything, like 4 connecting cords. So no matter how your phone is, you can use any of them. White, black and white. Our color again. You can see like this. That signage. Color to show. Like it's walking on my butt. I'm not
I am Bobo.
This is a BBC
Currently, I have up to 114. About tea I invented, and they're all great.
You invented this.
Yes, my inventing.
What are they? When we say tea, what comes to our mind is new.
Oh, no.
This is for infection. This is for infection.
Yes.
Does it have a specific infection it cures?
This thing take care of staph, syphilis, gonorrhea, candida. This one is a we call it super infection remedy. It's a combination. It's a big combination. It's not only one half.
What's the name again?
We call this one super infection remedy. It's a very good one.
You know, I'm going to ask you a question because I know that our audience are going to be very curious, and the curiosity stems from the fact that they are more.
Hello there.
I love this place. I like it. These are they're not clear here. Yes, it's somehow looking wishy. No. Nothing.
Don't say anything that will implicate my marriage.
Well, that is it.
Jenny,
We are all known for different things, and we live for what we are known.
Of course.
That's it.
Right on, Flora.
I have been admiring you for a very long time.
You
and
see?
it's
You
like,
don't start.
It's a time that
This one, my husband will just divorce me. My husband have divorced me with the first line already.
It's like I'm going to open up my mind to speak and spark and explain myself, the reason and why I love this so much.
Loved?
Yeah.
You don't die.
I never die.
Yeah, you just past that.
I love.
milk is
Can you tell me what are the detox tea? What's this one?
Plant milk.
Eh?
Plant milk.
Plant milk.
Plant milk. Wow, so plant has milk.
Yes, I know of oat milk and almond milk.
Can see oat milk.
Then how about almond milk?
This is plant. When we talk about plant, we talk about nature. We are looking at something. These are natural. They are made from plants, from peaches, from sisal, from almonds. Okay. This is the first time we are using this cup to serve.
We are launching. Thank you. So this is plant-based milk. It hot. Like really hot.